Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry online classes. In the last class, we have discussed two separation techniques. What are they? Yes, hand picking and threshing. Today, in this session, I am going to introduce two another separation techniques. Sometime you may wish to prepare dish with flour like roti. This flour contains some impurities like husk particle. Husk means outer covering of seed. That means the outer covering of wheat grain and other dust particle. So we need to separate these impurities from flour. How will your mother do it? Any idea? Yes, sometimes you may see with sieve. Sieve contains many holes. We can separate impurities from this flour by sieving. Sieving means while sieving, the fine flour particle will move through the hole and the bigger impurities are stick on the sieve. By this method, we can obtain pure flour. This pure flour is a fine particle. It will move through the holes. In this method, we can separate impurities from flour. This sieving method we are used in construction site. In construction site, we need fresh sample of sand. But the sand contains stones, pebbles, roots of plants, leaves, etc. So, we need to separate this all item from sand. Sieving is the method we used here. Children, suppose I will give you a mixture of grains and sawdust. Do you know what is sawdust? It's wood powder. How will you separate it? Here we can apply another method of separation. Take this mixture containing both grain and sawdust in a sheet of paper or plate and stand in a raised platform in open area. Hold the sheet containing the mixture at your shoulder height. Then tilt it slightly so the mixture slides out slowly. The lighter sawdust and husk particle. Husk means the covering of seed are carried away by the wind, and the heavier grain separated and form a heap near the separating person. This method is called winnowing. Winnowing is used to separate lighter and heavier particle by wind or blowing air. The lighter particles are carried away by wind and the heavier particles are separated and form heap near the winnowing platform. This method, that means winnowing method, is used by farmers for separating husk particle from grain. So we can wind up this session. In this session we have discussed about winnowing and sieving. Hope all you have understood about both technique and which mixtures we can apply these techniques. I have attached notes as well as test paper. All you have to attend the test paper sincerely. I have provided a URL. Please go through it. So we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.